This video is about how to create a virtual passepartout in Photoshop. Start by saving your image as a Photoshop file. Create two new layers and move the image layer to the top. Go to Image Canvas Size. Click Relative and add 5 millimeters to both height and width in order to get 2.5 millimeters edges. Paint the two new layers with different gray colors, the dark layer above the bright one. Now go to Image Rotation, Arbitrary, and rotate the image 45 degrees anti-clockwise. Now select the whole image with the Square Selection tool. Deselect the upper part of the whole image using Alt plus the Selection tool. Enlarge the image in order to accurately target the corners. Place the cursor in the layer panel in the dark gray layer and click Delete. Now the gray edges represent a shadow effect. Go to Image Rotation, Arbitrary, and rotate the image minus 45 degrees. Go to Layer and click Flatten Image. Then use the magic wand to select the white frame. Go to Select and click Inverse. Then go to Image and click Crop. Finally, go to Image, Canvas Size, click Relative Away. Choose white color and type in the width and height of your picture frame. Now your image will fit a picture frame nicely, but do remember to add a thin, dark cutting edge before printing. Thank you for watching a plan photo video.